So what do you want to cook today then? A nice steak?
That looks so bad.
You want Christmas, everything.
No, I just don't like steak.
Cheers. Thank you. So we got the steak. John doesn't like steak, apparently. How do you not like steak? It's like
Just dry and horrible.
Can we get the film? Actually, no, we'll do that one more. Okay.
Phone,
No, you're not
record it
taking
yourself.
How have I overcome myself? I've got my hand in my pocket warming up.
Take your hand out.
My hand is warming up. It's warming up. I really love me a good steak. Right, okay, you're gonna have to hold the steak then. You can run away with it, sell it back and get your money back.
How are you expecting me to hold all of this?
It's not a steak. You're gonna have to hold my wallet. Hello, my friend. Come on in. Come on in.
Wrong house.
Did you come for the cooking lessons?
No, wrong house. Sorry.
Why not? Hey! Hey! What? Come back! Oh,
Cameron, we need to do a cooking video.
that's what I was planning to do!
Oh, I didn't see you there. What are you doing?
Hello everybody, it's your chef here, Cameron Brown, and today we're going to be cooking a new meat. We're doing a cooking video today, but today we're not just cooking pasta, or what else do we cook? We cook something else. We're cooking a new delicacy that I've heard many people have, it's really been in fashion recently. It's called Hereford Beef Sirloin Steak, irresistible, 28-day matured, £6. 6 quid! This came out of my own money! If you're vegetarian, this is synthetic meat. It does not exist! If you don't eat it, so technically it's fine. So, the cooking instructions are pretty simple. We're gonna boil the kettle, because you know, who doesn't love a good bit of cooking?
You could have done this with a tripod.
So we need a pan. Now this may be a little loud, so if you just hold this. Don't do that. No. Jeez. What was that? I couldn't hear you over the quiet pan.
That's not even clean. Why the f?
I know.
Just pulled that out, but it's the cleanest one we have.
It's not. Remove the steak from packaging and place onto a large plate. Can we see that? Can we get a high definition shot? Wow. And then let in room temperature for approximately 10 minutes. Well, we were outside for over 10. Preheat frying pan. Ow, God! Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's use this. This looks good. This is called rapeseed oil.
No, you've got it wrong. It's
Oh, that's funny. That's I don't want to get demonetized. How much did it say?
I don't know. Just pour as much as you want.
Oh!
Retard!
That's actually. Ow! What the flip? Why is it so hot?
Because you put it on the pan.
Why did the oven go off, you bloody gay? I need to wash my hands. John, are you going to try any of this? Like,
No.
Now, it's good to wash your hands with new stuff. So we've got this new stuff. It's called desert. We need a little wine. I
There
think.
was soap over.
I think we need a little wine as well. You know, we need to sterilise my hands. No, I won't do that.
There's some fairy liquid on there. Come on.
Fairy liquid.
It looks like custard.
It's disgusting. I'll only have a tiny bit. Stop, you dickhead! It's all about.
You dickhead! You burnt it, man!
You put it too high. No, it's sooty in.
Oh,
No, the alarms are going off. Don't preach. It's just open.
It's fine, it's fine.
Why does it smell like shit?
Because you burnt the olive oil!
Too dare! Too.
What the hell was that?
Right, can we open this?
Go on, man.
I don't want this anymore. What the f? I don't want this. I don't want this. I'm gonna have to have some for comedy.
It's so thick. What? It looks like egg yolk. Why who would drink that?
That tastes like ethanol. Right.
Pure ethanol.
It doesn't taste nice. The window's open.
It was a jump scare, okay?
So first of all, with the steak, we've got to become friends with the steak. John.
Yeah?
We need to say, hello,
We're
steak.
sorry, Mr. Cow, for killing you.
Hello, little steak. Oh,
Kiss
good.
it.
Need it.
Kiss it. I say you're gonna sell me out now.
It's beef. Whoa! So, is that normal?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, well, I don't know what you...
Wait. So how long do we leave it for?
I don't know. How long did it say?
God, that smells burnt already. That smells so strong. I don't like that. How do I turn it, John?
With a spatula, man.
Stress it out.
You've got to... You've let it burn on. You've got to keep sifting it with the oil. Well, you've burnt the oil, so there's no oil.
That's perfect. Yay.
You need more oil, man.
Last time I did that, I caused an earthquake.
Oh, God, this is going to go so wrong.
Just cook, please.
Now mix it in, come on. Oh, there we go now.
It's moving.
That's the point. It's meant
Whoa! Why does it smell like a very nice Big Mac? That smells good. Why does the steak want to become my friend? I think the steak wants to be my friend.
It's dead.
So now we have the satisfying cut. We need a fork. Just realised I've left the stove on.
The fat off it. You just left it on.
Yeah, who doesn't love a bit of fat? So, oh god, that's still red, isn't it? Blood's alright in steak. Come on.
You're gonna get food poisoning.
Oh, it'll be fine. I just want some dinner. Keep cooking. Right, we wanted to cook some steak, so I bought the most expensive steak.
Cameron, you're gonna have to bin the steak. It's been 18 minutes. You've already got your address.
Yeah, we don't need this.
I don't need anything.
I'm scared. That is done. Right, we're done. We're done with that steak. So that's our first steak done, John.
Your first steak, I ain't touching now.
That is the sad side. Let's smell this. Oh, I can smell the flavours of the steak. So that's the steak. No, you need to put it on a tripod. We're both eating.
I'm not eating it.
So we're going to have a bit of barbecue sauce, because barbecue sauce is what makes
Just a bit, just a bit. Yeah, it's so horrible.
it looks nice.
No, I mean the barbecue sauce.
How do you not like BBQ? B&Q. Right, so we're going to have a meal. Okay, we're going to have a nice meal. You know, some people waste their money. You know, they get their meal deals every day, and then I cook it myself. And look, don't put it in it.
Tomato.
We have no veg. That's one carrot. Right. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see the steak? Now, the things with steak is naturally a very wet animal. There is an animal called the steak, if I'm sure. Come over here, John. Come on, we have to have a good review of this. Come over here.
I ain't touching that.
No, just come here.
This is
I took it off. This is a professional approach. So, can we see the steak? Can we stop? So, can we just? Okay. So, if you have a look at the steak, steaks are very wet animals, aren't they? So, look, John. Can you see the steak? Look. Can you see how it's a bit.
I like the blood coming off the top of it.
We did not come here to criticise my cooking. Okay, so I'm going to take a bite of this. So we're going to really dig into that steak. We're going to pretend that we were friends with this steak and now it's backstabbed me. So I'm gonna...
Oh, that reminds me of something.
Okay, so now, WebMD, how hard is food disease to revive off? Oh my god! That is such a good steak.
Yeah, in 28 days when you have food poisoning, you won't be saying that.
Can we get the angle alright? Okay, the angle's not sufficient. Come back here!
It's like the angle, right?
Go back. So close. Can you make sure it focuses? Carry on. Carry on, mate. Hurry up. If you want more cooking videos, be sure to leave me a like. It helps me out a lot. Be sure to leave me a funny comment. I want to read all your jokes. And also be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also check out
John's channel, How to George. It's a good channel.
Okay, we're done with that video. That's a good steak then, wasn't it? Don't want to take my steak away.